But yeah, in a full data science process, you would be trying as many feature combinations as you can. Absolutely. Yeah. Atarva says, according to the business requirement, we can adjust misclassification. I think, yes, you can. That's absolutely right. Yeah. Yeah. So Atarva here is referring to your false positives and false negatives, right? And you can adjust based on feedback from the business. I've had that happen to me before. And the reason I say that is because when it comes to false positives and false negatives, you can usually assign a dollar value to what it costs the business to make that mistake. And in some cases, those values are different enough, disparate enough, where the business will say, I want you to give me a model that's optimized. And it's okay if it's only 70% accurate, but I want that 30% to be more of this error than that error. Yeah, Atarba, you bring up a great point, because this 100% happens in business, okay? So to illustrate that, you might say, hey, here's your support vector classifier, but here's the mistakes you're making in orange, and here's the mistakes you're making in blue. And your business might come back to you and say, well, you know what? The blue errors cost us $5, but the orange errors cost us $300. So please make sure you actually shade the model. And they're going to ask you to move that line over so that you actually make less of the orange errors, because you're minimizing costs, right? So yeah, Atarva, thank you so much for bringing that up. I had forgotten about that. Super important point. That also happens in the real world, where they're going to say, we're totally okay with errors, just make sure it makes these error Y more than error X, because error X costs us a lot of money. Error Y, we're okay taking the loss. So thank you, Atarva. Thanks for bringing that up. I'm just talking about the data we're working with right now.